guys, we are back again with another video about a bad YouTuber. Her name is Cute Single. I thought her name was Cutie Single. I thought the name. God dang it. God dang it. God dang it. So today we're going to look at her pee-pee poo-poo content. I should say her content is pee or pee-pee. And I was saying gambling is not for kids. See, stop doing gambling for so long. Let's watch one of her videos.
You keep teasing.
No, you are wrong. You can try my game and rate it. Go to
The meows sound like screaming into my ears, bro.
and search Runtime. Open my profile and scroll down, and you will find my game.
Wait, your game is trash. You baby. Prison 1. No! That doesn't exist.
Dropped when I saw this video.
What? You saw a cat getting abused by a guy?
I'm so sorry, kitty. Like and subscribe. I feel loved.
No! I can't like and subscribe for your stupid channel. What's my greatest opinion on this channel? P. What's your religion? She picks Muslim. So.
What are you doing?
I'm playing G Park.
What the heck
I
is
created
G Park?
my fan club in G Park,
What
and
the
a lot of
anime?
newest fans have joined. I really appreciate that.
That's so cool.
Nah!
Hey, you cutes. I made my own fan club. Game in G Park. It is a fan
It's a
club
ripoff
where
of
you can interact,
Roblox.
dance, and add G Park friends to play games together. I hope you fans like this. Like,
What the heck is you found?
spoil.
Oh no.
I like you. Have a cupcake. I like you. Have a cupcake.
Oh my God, how dare you?
What did you
This guy
do?
pulls. Are you people burning? What's your favorite?
Hey, I play your Obby in G Park, but
What
it's
the
a
heck?
little bit difficult for me.
It's okay. There is a reward.
No G Park allowed. Hashtag anti-G Park. So some guy said, "Thank you for everyone who is making exposing videos. Thank you, Creecraft, for slapping her in the freaking face. Across the face. Yes. Yes, because she likes the Z. You need to you need to destroy yourself now. You have to touch grass, take a shower, and you do not take a shower and use spending here making videos on your own and crediting them to little babies. Your audience is 5-year-olds, by the way. You cute single, more like you cute P.